Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the Sentry Mode on your Tesla vehicle. So there really isn't a button on your steering wheel. You need to use the screen here. Now, if you look at the top here, there is this small little circle. All we have to do is tap this to turn it on. And you can see it's activated, indicated by the red little dot. Now we can go to our controls here, press this, go up to controls. And we can see Sentry Mode is down here too. We can just tap it right here to turn it on as well. And that's going to be recording when anyone comes up to our vehicle now. We can go down to safety. Scroll through here and here's another option to turn it on. And we have auto enable Sentry in park. So when you park your vehicle, it's going to automatically turn on. Now I do exclude home for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it just saves a little bit more battery. When it's in my garage, it should be secure. So we can look through the different options here. We can exclude work, exclude favorites, camera-based detection, and we can read the description for this. And then we can go on down here, and then here is the dash cam settings. So at any point in time, we need to delete clips or format our USB because everything is full. We have the option right there. Now to view the clips, let's go down to the camera option. I have it just on my quick menu here, but here's my dash cam. So we have to go to the dash cam to view all these different clips now. And we can open this up and we can see it's activated right now. And we can go to this and we can go to all our different events that are happening. So we have Sentry Mode on the top. We can see just specifically these. So if someone walked up to your car or something like that, here's one. So some guys with a bike or something like that with a little girl. And yeah, you can jump to the event here. You can scroll through the entire thing too if you want, or you can just delete it. So after you review it, you can just delete it to save some space on your drive. But I'll probably format that here in a second. So yeah, just look at your Sentry Mode, and then when you go to all, that will include your dash cam in there too. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.